In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a withdrawal on Robinhood step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. In order to cancel a withdrawal on Robinhood, first open your Robinhood app. Next, go to the account icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner and select Transfers. Here, you will see your pending withdrawal under Withdrawals. Tap on the pending withdrawal you want to cancel. Finally, select Cancel Withdrawal and confirm your choice. Your withdrawal will now be cancelled, and the funds will remain in your Robinhood account. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.